Hello, Miss Coe's third grade. This is Miss Coe coming to you as well as
Kayleigh.
and we wanted to read you a story tonight. I hope everybody is doing well. I miss you so much. Anything you want to say, Kayleigh?
And I really miss you, and I hope you have a nice vacation.
Aw, and Kayleigh, what story are you going to start reading us tonight?
We're going to read The Giving Tree.
Ooh, one of our favorite family stories, The Giving Tree. And Kayleigh, who wrote this story?
By Shel Silverstein.
Shel Silverstein. She's right. Okay, Kayleigh's going to start reading and then Miss Coe is going to read after. Go ahead, Kayleigh.
The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein. For Nikki. Once there was a tree, and she loved a little boy. And every day the boy would come. And he would gather her leaves and make them into crowns and play king of the forest.
Ooh.
He would climb up her trunk and swing from her branches and eat apples, and they would play hide and go seek.
Fun. Do you like to play hide and go seek, Kayleigh?
I like to play it with my 4 brothers.
You sure do.
And when he was tired, he would sleep in her shade. And the boy loved the tree very much. And the tree was happy. But time went by.
He looks sad, doesn't he?
And the boy grew older.
Aww.
And the tree was often alone.
Aww.
Then one day the boy came to the tree, and the tree said, "Come, boy, come and climb up my trunk and swing from my branches and eat apples and play in my shade and be happy." "I'm too big to climb and play," said the boy. "I want to buy things and have fun. I want some money. Can you give me some money?" "I'm sorry," said the tree. "Well, I have no money. I only have leaves and apples. Take my apples, boy, and sell them in the city. Then you will have money and you will be happy." And so the boy climbed up the tree and gathered her apples and carried them away. And the tree was happy. But the boy stayed away for a long time, and the tree was sad. And then one day the boy came back, and the tree shook with joy. And she said, "Come, boy, climb on my trunk and swing from my branches and be happy." "I'm too busy to climb trees," said the boy. "I want a house to keep me warm," he said. "I want a wife and I want children, so I need a house. Can you give me a house?" "I have no house," said the tree. "The forest is my house, but you may cut off my branches and build a house. Then you will be happy." And so the boy cut off her branches and carried them away to build his house. And the tree was happy. But the boy stayed away for a long time, and when he came back, the tree was so happy he could hardly speak. "Come, boy," she whispered. "Come and play. I'm too old and sad to play," said the boy. I want a boat that will take me far away from here. Can you give me a boat?" "Cut down my trunk and make a boat," said the tree. "Then you can sail away and be happy." And so the boy cut down her trunk and made a boat and sailed away. And the tree was happy, but not really. After a long time, the boy came back again. "I'm sorry, boy," said the tree, "but I have nothing left to give you." "My apples are gone. My teeth are too weak for apples," said the boy. "My branches are gone," said the tree. "You cannot swing on them. I'm too old to swing on branches," said the boy. "My trunk is gone," said the tree. "You cannot climb. I'm too tired to climb," said the boy. "I'm sorry," sighed the tree. "I wish that I could give you something, but I never had something left. I'm just an old stump, and I'm sorry."
Hmm.
I didn't need very much now," said the boy. "It's just a quiet place to sit and rest. I'm very tired." "Well," said the tree, straightening herself up as much as she could. "Well, an old stump is good for sitting and resting. Come, boy, sit down. Sit down and rest." And the boy did it. It's called The Boy When He's a Grandpa.
Mm-hmm. He got older, huh?
Older and older and
He
older.
wanted all those things for the tree, but now he just wants somewhere to rest.
Age goes up but never goes down. And the tree was happy. The end.
Aw. Kayleigh, what was your favorite part about that book?
My favorite, but sad at least, is the tree kind of like getting kind of too weak and getting older.
Mm-hmm. Did you think that the man was using the tree for a lot of reasons instead of giving the tree back some stuff?
Maybe it was the tree's best friend, but I already know this was fiction. So
True.
this is a fiction story.
Fiction. Kayleigh, that's such a good word. What does fiction mean? Do you remember?
Fiction means if you have the words like on a piece of paper or whiteboard. So if you have fiction,
Mm-hmm.
like the middle part starts with the N, so you split it in half. The F stands for fake,
Ooh, that's a good trick to learn.
and then so non-fiction means that it's not fake.
Not fake, which is also true.
Yeah.
So this book is fiction?
Yep. So
Very
it's
nice.
fake.
It's fake. Could it be real? Do you think a tree could really have some feelings and be sad if a human was always saying, "Give me this and give me that and give me this and give me that," and then even when the old man became a super old man and he still wanted to use the tree for stuff, the tree kept giving.
And since he wanted all that stuff, the tree couldn't breathe anymore because the tree gives you a bunch of oxygen so you can breathe. So that's why he's getting older and older and older.
That's true. Well, friends, that was Kayleigh's favorite story out of her personal library. We hoped you like it. Again, Kayleigh, what's the title?
It's called The Giving Tree.
And who's the author?
Author is by Shel Silverstein.
Shel Silverstein. So if you guys want to find that book or you already have it at home, give us some likes and subscribe to
Our channel.
Smash that like button. What do we normally say, Kayleigh?
And see you next time.
Bye. Miss you guys.